Well, speaking of key metric, meaning weaned pig flow, weaned pigs produced per week, and improvement being a reduction in variation, we came up with this report. It's called Weaned Pig Throughput Report. And actually, I should say just copied it from what Dave Kraut presented at Banff in 2011. And this is a big picture report, so you can see that this is 4 years worth of information, 4 years worth of data, and from an actual farm or production system that is, you can see, focused on weekly weaned pig flow, weaned pigs per week, both the number and the variation in weekly weaned pig flow, as well as the weaning weight, the weight itself, average weight, and the variation. And you can see, so let's imagine then that this production system focused on a more consistent weekly wean pig flow, reducing the variation by better management of the breeding targets each week, uh, and um, and measuring it by the coefficient of variation, which is it's a relative measure of variation. It's the standard deviation divided by the average. And so you can see that what they did by targeting and focusing on improving this consistency in the numbers of wean pigs each week is the coefficient of variation dropping from 7.2% in 2016 to 4.4%. So that's almost a 40% improvement in the reduction of variation, right? And a more consistent wean pig flow. And then below that, you can see average weaning weight and same time period, same farms, with the focus being on improving weight and the reducing the variation in wean pig weight. And of course, the ones that I'm not showing would be the focus that they put on age at weaning and pigs weaned per sow. So age at weaning goes along and reducing the variation, increasing the age a bit and reducing the variation goes along with improving the average weaning weight. And again, the coefficient of variation, the variability in that weaned pig weight, and the improvement in the actual weight itself, going from 12.4 pounds to 13.75 pounds, and the improvement in variation, the reduced variation, the more consistent weaning weight, dropping almost 50%, the variation dropping almost 50%, 6.6% down to 3.6%. So it's this type is a type of report is a big picture report looking over a long period of time, but tied to some strategic sort of continuous improvement focus areas uh, on key metrics in sow farm production and throughput. There you go.